So I want to share with you my new combination for sustaining the perfect nude lip. Now, nude lips are quite hard to sustain, especially if you've got a natural pinkiness to your lip. Now, my lips are actually quite pale in colour, but lots of my friends have much richer lips, it's meant to say, or be a sign of being very healthy if you've got a lot of pink, natural pink tone in your lips. But it also makes it much harder to get that nude lip effect. You have to put a bit of foundation and powder over it to really achieve that colour that you see in the bullet. So this is the combination that I've been wearing, and I'm always conscious of wearing lipsticks because I don't want them to feather and I want them to stay put, I don't want them to feel too dry. So as you know, if you watch my channel, that I love Veneffect, this is the best lip prep, basically because it doesn't leave too much of a slip. So you can put lots of lip balms, lip treatments on your lips, but then you have to remove the excess because otherwise it's too slippy for the product to go onto. And then obviously it's going to travel and it's going to slide and it won't last as long. Whereas this, pretty much after about 10 seconds, just softens and mattifies itself. It doesn't dry itself. So that's my start. And once I've got that on, I feel I've got a great base, even if my lip's a little bit dry. Now, I've been using these intense liquid lipsticks. They're by Guerlain, and this is rather unsexily called M06, unless my eyes are that bad that I can't see anything else. But yes, I'll leave it all below anyway. And this is a liquid lipstick. Now, I love liquid lipsticks, and yes, of course, they do dry, and the formulas that are very dry and can also pucker your lips so they can look quite unattractive. But this doesn't tend to, but I'm going to mix it with something else. Anyway, I'm going to apply it to my lips, which is very difficult because all I want to do is keep talking to you. So apply to the bottom lip and spread in. Now, gradually, using the tip of the applicator, just build up and push the colour to the outside, to the edge of your lip line. And again, like the lip treatment, it just starts to mattify. Now this liquid lipstick does dry to a nice matte, but it's a movable matte. It's the most comfortable that I've used, I have to say. It's a really nice nude. It's a sort of ballsy nude. It's not too like I'm just about to die, and it hasn't drained me out. It gives a nice shape to my mouth because I've literally just very softly gone over the edge. And I just prefer these to using a lip liner, quite frankly. Sometimes I use the lip liner just to balance out my, oh, sorry, I don't mean to be rude, to balance out my lip line because my lips aren't even. But sometimes I just think, oh, whatever, just put the lipstick on and go. No one's really going to notice, are they? I mean, really? And if they are, well, they haven't got much going on, have they? So that's when I'll use the lip liner. I'll probably go for a Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat or something like that. Now, to finish off and to make it really comfortable, I then use the Dr. Perricone No Lipstick lipstick. Now, I love this range. Really, if you like barely there makeup, if you like makeup that just is a hint and a tint and a wash, check out this range. And it's really beautiful. The textures are beautiful. So it's one lipstick, one colour. And it's more pinky than this nude. And alone, I love it. If I'm kind of just like rushing out, I've actually always got it in my handbag. Facial oil in this lipstick normally. And I just chuck it on. It gives my lips shape, but it's so comfortable. Hydrating, you can see I've squashed it down. Good. Great. So that's my cheeky little current combo of sustaining a nude lip. Now, of course, you can use any different colours you like. Layering a matte lipstick with a lipstick gives you a little bit of balm, but it also gives you longevity on your lip shape, and you're never going to end up with that kind of skinny lip liner effect, which can happen after a while. So I just thought I'd share it with you. I hope you like it. Let me know down below, and I can't wait to chat with you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.